Peda recipe that uses only 4 ingredients.
The ingredients are 2 cups milk powder, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 7 to 8 crushed cardamoms. Silicone mold optional. Start by greasing mold with some butter. On a heated pan, melt butter. Add milk. Milk powder. Sugar and mix well. Finally, mix cardamom powder. Keep on stirring continuously till the mixture reaches the right consistency. Transfer the mixture onto a plate and let it cool for 10 minutes. Apply some butter on your hands. Press the mixture into the mold. Try making your own shapes. Pop them out on a plate. Enjoy your sweet delicacy.